recording. She's recording.
I am recording.
Got my panties in there. You want to see?
Yeah.
Okay.
She's gonna show us her underwear. This is X-rated. She wear thongs.
Cause every time we touch, I get this feeling.
Is that what I'm getting here?
Or my birthday.
Kim.
You want to see my birthday?
Miss Kim
suit?
Miranda.
What?
Miss Kim Miranda. Is it true that you sleep commando at night? Do you even know what commando means?
No.
Do you sleep without any underwear on?
Sometimes.
That's awkward. And a side note.